Yesterday I took this prototype and turned it into a macro pad. And in the process of doing so, I made this shop a mess. Let me clean it up. I got this for free. I have a lot of tools to make cool things like this. I have big and expensive tools like this oscilloscope that I only used once. Some tools are small and cheap, like this paper clip that I keep hanging on my board back here for poking things. Some tools are old, like this 1930s typewriter I have. Others are brand new, like this space mouse I just got. Some of them I've made, like this touchscreen display. And other ones I've purchased, like my Bamboo Lab A1. Most people like buying the newest, coolest tool. I like to use my tools as long as possible, like this MacBook Pro that I've been using for 8 years. Now I've had to take it apart a few times and repair it, but it's a great laptop. And for the nerds who are wondering, it's a 2017 Intel-based MacBook Pro, 16 gigabytes RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive. This is an expensive PC that I used back in engineering school, but expensive does not always mean better. I'd much rather use and often use my Raspberry Pi 5, which is like a $100 computer. Expensive multimeter, cheap multimeter. I use this one more. Expensive calculator, cheap calculator. I've never even used this thing. Although I do love my TI-84 color. This is a nice calculator. I think simplicity is a key component of productivity, which is how I was able to make this in just a few hours and like 26 years of experience. This is my fancy desktop and I love it. I can write code here, I can edit videos here, I can do Fusion 360 here, like I can record movies over here. It's awesome. But I'd much rather work here on this dirty futon that I bought for $10 at a yard sale with my feet propped up on top of my brother's gym equipment, with my dog beside me. I don't know why, this is like the most comfortable position for me to be working on a computer. I have tons of cables. However, my favorite cable is this USB cable. It's a micro USB, USB-C, and lightning cable all in one. I take this cable with me whenever I travel, I keep it in my car, I have it at my desk. It's awesome. It's the perfect blend of simplicity and utility. I got this USB cable at Harbor Freight once because it just looked cool, and it became one of my favorite tools. The only thing to make this better would be a USB-C adapter built into it and a mini USB adapter on there as well. That'd be cool. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one of these cables. The point is, don't let expensive tools get in the way of you building something that is unique. Simplicity is the key. If you want to see a really cool app that I built while sitting in this dirty futon, check out yumfar.com. It's an online directory of local food sources such as farms, farmers markets, CSAs, and agritourism locations. Yumfar is the key to you living a happier, healthier life and eliminating processed food from your world. If you're working on a project, let me know what it is down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe so I can get one of those shiny plaques that say YouTube. Make sure to read the description for cool startup opportunities. Go join Yumfar, and as always, be creative and build something awesome.